conditions. Excuse the wobbles there. I've flown the drone here and it started raining, so I stopped. But I figured I might as well have a quick.
So you have all the equipment. This one, the drone, the phone.
Oh, the phone was for the missus.
And the phone's for the missus.
So she knows I haven't gone off road. Right, you can see a couple of days ago all this will have been underwater. Excuse me while I cough. It's what I said to that chap then about going off road is a very good point. In this kind of weather, you always stick to the proper roads, because otherwise you can get stuck very quickly. It's nice to see these Venetian bridges with water running through them. Now, I'm going to go over the bridge now, and I've already been over to take some pictures, and I know that the cobbles are very slippery, so I'll be concentrating on avoiding falling over rather than anything else. While I'm here, I'll just show you the actual shape of the bridge. You see it's got a hump. And the reason for that was because these bridges were made by the Venetians hundreds of years ago to help them transport goods from the mountains down to the harbour. And they transported it via a camel train, and we ran down this valley, the camels would, and in winter time when it had been raining they would go over the bridges, and in summertime when there's no water, the hump here would allow enough room under the bridge for the camels just to follow the river. So I was told anyway, and I see no reason to doubt it, because as you can see, as I'm going up, it's very slippery. It is a severe hump. Oh. Now, on another time, I might disappear up this hill in front of us. Sorry, I'm paying more attention to my footing rather than anything else at the moment. Almost. And I've got decent walking boots on as well, so shows you how slippery it is. Right, yes, on another time I might go up, show it on the camera, that path there, because it's a very nice nature trail that goes up through the woods and it ends up giving you a lovely view of the reservoir. But I'm not doing that today, because on this trip I'm trying to take pictures and film water features. Well, that says a bit about the camel trail there, I think, well, doesn't it? No, it just says Venetian bridges. Oh well. Right, let's see on the map anyway. You can see here Brezia we've covered many times, so Rudia Bridge, that's our favourite one. Perevasa is a picnic site which has seen better days. Kelefos Bridge is where we're at. Elia Bridge is a little bit further up. I might go up there, but to be quite honest, I don't know if I can be bothered today, because the weather's pretty atrocious. And I've got a splitting headache. I'll go down there though, I think. Right, this is another opportunity for me to go arse over tip. Whoop. Ah. This is where roots come in very useful. Here we go. Now, if you've never been here during the summer, and you're used to, say, the countryside of the UK or Northern Europe, you might be puzzled why we'd be excited about river water flowing under a bridge. Well, during the summer this is often bone dry here. I love the sound of rocks being moved by the water, like a lid falling off a coffin. I've been seeing too many cheesy horror films on TV recently, obviously. See if I can get some more sound about that. That's a good point actually. I have no idea what the audio will be, what quality it will be, but it seems to have been okay so far. I do want to get, oh here it is, listen. Right, let's go to the other side, the gentle pan round. I forgot about gentle pan round earlier on, I do apologise. Go out the way we came. Yes, hopefully, because I flew the drone under the bridge, rather cautiously, hopefully that will come out quite well. But if it doesn't, I'm making this film, otherwise it will have been a wasted journey. I have taken some pictures though as well, so at the very least I'll be able to do a blog. I had hoped to get some nice waterfall pictures because apparently there's one up near Abdimu which a couple of days ago looked spectacular. I went up there, it looked very lovely still, but it wasn't exactly a gushing torrent. And the same for Trezina. I might be showing pictures as I'm talking here, but Trezina waterfall, when that goes full pelt, is probably, well, it's my favourite waterfall here anyway. But at the moment it's not going full pelt, so it's quite a long drive. So I would wait a few more weeks of rain before taking the trip. It has of course given me ideas for my 4th road trip though, so I had planned doing that sort of area. It's easy though just to forget how nice it is, but that's something for a future day. And I know I haven't finished the 3rd one yet. Right, this is a sign telling us about a beetle, or Popomacrius cypriacus. So, go beetles, woo. There you go. Right, I'll go across the bridge again now. One thing that's always puzzled me though, I'll quickly show you this, is if you look on the other way, there's like a little funny bulb in the side of that, the wall of that bridge. Now, was that there just for reinforcements, or did it used to be, I don't know, a little room or something? Because there's none on the other side. Oh dear. Right. That's a waffle for 10 minutes. So this is what Cyprus is like in the winter time anyway. Slippery, but still very beautiful. Oop. Let's finish with a view from the top. Okay, see you soon.